How are you? Are you going with the notes? Are you looking at the videos? Right? Very welcome back. And very interesting topic. Again, class 11, sociology, lesson number 1, sociology and society. Right? In this we are learning the topic poverty. It's a very interesting. When you go next year also the same topic is being included in your 12th standard and in the annual examinations. Also these questions are generally they will be asked. Now let's understand what do you mean by poverty. You have heard the term, right? A person who is very poor. How? So the person who is very poor does not have financial status to develop. So some of the scientists they say the state of being poor, right, or do not have enough income, do not have, right, so they are not having enough income. What do you mean by income? The two types of job. One is based on the wages, right, the work, the daily you do, you get the money in the evening, and the one is monthly based, right, salary, government job specially. So here the state of being poor or do not have enough income, and for that person generally we say the person who is poor in form of maybe food, cloth or shelter. We say roti, kapda or makan, right? This is a very old dialogue which has been coming. You have seen in many films also. But now you have to understand a poverty again further defined into naturalistic. Two types, right? One is naturalistic, that is coming naturally, right? The people who are afraid of the work. Some people don't want to work. You can see the beggars, right? Front of the temples or front of any railway stations, right? You will see these people. They will be sitting, not doing any work, and they will be waiting for your part to be helped out. And people who are in the BPL, that is below poverty line. That means a house where the number of workers or the people are more, only one or two are working. So that's may say, right, a overpopulation family, right? Now when you go further, right, we are talking of unemployment. What is unemployment? What can be done of the unemployment, right? Now before that I just want to make you this under the sociology, under the sociological inequality caste. Inequality caste. What do you mean by inequality caste? In the society there may be in different countries they may follow casteism system, right, which were in the olden days was following in India also, and sometimes in other nation also they are following. And sometimes natural disaster when it occurs, it may give a lot of loss to the society, to the nation or somewhere, right? My question is very simple to you. What are the other causes for making the poverty, right? So poor planning. What do you mean by poor planning? A country I have mentioned over here. These are the countries in the Africa: Somalia, Ethiopia, Mali, Chad, Togo. Their economical policies are not updated, right? It is not up to date because there may be other reasons also. They don't have any natural beauty also. What do you mean by natural beauty? That means the tourism, the surroundings, the business, the export we do, the production we go for the agriculture, the level of the educations. These people they hire from the other people and try to get those things here. So poor planning, the notes will be given to you. You will follow that note. Second one is very important, unemployment. What is unemployment? Right? There are two types, again we will go. A person who does not have a job, or the person who have a job but does not got the job according to his or her caliber. So unemployment takes place when there is a overpopulation. The population is very very high. You have studied earlier. Now this is again we are coming to you. Do not forget, when we are talking of the population, China is number one, followed by India, then third one is America, right? Then Brazil, Indonesia. So we have this type of growth are going, but people are not getting job because of the overpopulation, or according to your need what you require over here. When you go to the third one, in the causes there may be many things, but third one again I want to tell you, economic situations. What is economic situations? Today you talk of the COVID-19, every country has stopped, they have blocked everything. So we are under house arrest. So when we are under the house arrest, no export is going on, no import is going on, no transportation is going, no communication processes related to a business have stopped or it has slowed down. So when it has slowed down, automatically it will affect our life, right? Once we see the present situation, everything become very very expensive, right? The driver, that means the driver charges a lot because of the car, the petrol increases. Yesterday cylinder got increased for by 12 rupees. So economic situation also make us to think to relate with the poverty. Then we go with the as repeat, right? The large population. Now large population, when we are talking, what we are talking in the large population, just I want to explain to you. This is very very interesting, right? You have studied, when we are talking of the large population, that means number of people staying in particularly per square kilometer, you must know, right? So when we talking of the India, the largest population state, understand, the largest population state in India is Rajasthan, right, which has the highest population. But when we are talking of the largest state density population, we are talking of the density population, it is Bihar. So what does it mean? It means number of people staying in a square kilometer. If they are not getting the job in the particularly given, definitely they are described as the poor, because and generally the cities will be involved, okay, the cities of the metro cities. We have metro cities, 4 generally: Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, where the population will be more and they will create lot of problems related to the pollution, related to the theft and other things. So this is very much interested. And when you go the solution, overcome solution of this poverty, there are many schemes are being given by the government. So some I am describing, some I will give you the notes which will be followed to you. IGRI, Indira Gandhi Rozgar Yojana, right? This is the government scheme where poor people will be helped to get this one. PMRY, Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana. Now especially the migrants who are coming, they are being given this type of facilities. I will give you the task to find out the year when it was formed. Then again IAY. Now this is given in your book. You have to see, I will adjust it with the clip. You need to know what does it means. Next one is HUDCO, Housing Urban Development Corporation. That means they will provide free houses to the poor people, right? Now there are so many people under the BPL, everyone we cannot get, but it will come under them. Then there is NABARD, National Agricultural Bank and Rural Development. Now what they will give you? They will give you all the facilities related with the agriculture, right? Related with the agriculture. Either it may be fertilizer, right? Or it may be related to any crops. They will try to provide you in a cheaper rate. Further, I tell you, this is one of the example I have given you. Especially the government give you a lot of subsidy, right? That is fertilizer. They will give you a lot of subsidy. Subsidy means cheaper to the poor caste, to the poor people who are economically conditions. Now this is a very interesting topic, poverty. Think of it, how we can solve this in a short span of time. Policies will be there, but you have to do it. You have to think what thing can be done from your brain to solve these issues, because among you some of will be in a very good positions, right? They will be coming up. Till that time, I tell, work hard. I am giving you some assignments. Have a look on assignments and discuss with it. Thank you so much. Take care.